Hi, I want to talk about the book Dreamland by Sam Quinones, and the subtitle for this is The True Tale of America's Opiate Epidemic. Now this is the young adult adaptation. There is a larger adult version, but either story that you, or either copy that you choose to read will give you the same information. So what this does, this is obviously a nonfiction book, and our author goes into kind of the background of what happened when, to people that started getting prescribed different opioid medications by their doctor, and then how this just exploded into this whole underground of misusing and abusing opioid medications that then eventually led to people using heroin, and a specific type of heroin called black tar heroin. So if you are interested in just the history of addiction and how this works, this is a good book for you. If you're interested in learning about, kind of where the medical profession went wrong in some cases, and then also learning about pharmaceutical companies that were trying to have doctors and hospitals prescribe different medications without really knowing what they were doing and the dangers that they were putting people in. So the front here has this swimming pool and this kind of shape of the United States. And we learned that when we look at the history of all of this stuff, that it's all kind of linked back to this one place in Ohio that had this swimming pool that people used to go to, and they called it Dreamland. But then the author does a really good job of kind of tracing the way that everything just kind of exploded from this area, from some, specific doctors, and the way that they went about using their role as a doctor to prescribe medication without really knowing what they were doing. So it's very well done, and I recommend this book, the young adult version, or the adult one. Either one is a great read. So Dreamland for your next read.